Hey, how's it going? We're sorted. We're a group of mates from London looking for exceptional things in food that will make a difference to you, or just make you laugh. Some of us are chefs, the rest of us, we're normals. But every video we make always starts with a suggestion from you. Hello, I'm Jamie, and this is Mike.
And today, ultimate battle, more brownie points up for grabs.
Not the only thing up for grabs.
Welcome to all new, sorted, ultimate cooking battles. 3 normals fight it out against each other to impress 2 chefs and to win brownie points. There's a league table, a horrific end of season forfeit for the loser, and in every new episode, a curveball.
Today we are recreating our first ever battle from 5 years ago. It's an ultimate pancake battle, and we've teamed up with Home Pride, who have sent us some top quality flour.
Surely they have no excuses to mess us up.
We're going to give the boys 90 minutes, and their time starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Right, straight out of the bat, I'm knocking it out of the park by making a stack of pancetta pancakes topped with a chili butter and a secret cheesy middle.
Can you get any more baseball references into that intro?
I didn't even try. That's
rugby.
Touchdown.
Idiot.
Right, I need to get started by making my pancake batter, and to do that, I need to fry off some pancetta.
Do you want to know what I'm making? I'm making malpua. I'm not sure that's pronounced correctly.
No, I don't think you are.
No, I don't think it is.
Not at all.
Not even a little bit.
Malpua. Malpua is... I can't do it! Malpua. We'll go with that. Indian pancake. They're sweet, they're chewy, they're crispy, they are delicious, and I have no idea how to make them. So here it goes. First up, I'm toasting off my desiccated coconut and my fennel seeds. That goes into the bowl with my flour, my milk powder, sugar, baking powder, and cardamom powder. That's cardamom powder. It's not very strong. Once the dry stuff in and combined in with my milk.
The pancake recipe I am recreating are Japanese souffle pancakes. They are about 2 inches tall. They're the fluffiest, lightest, most delicious pancakes I've ever tried, and I'm going to put an amazing lemon, yuzu and blueberry syrup drizzled over the top. The first thing I've got to do is separate some eggs. What I'm going to do is create a meringue type mixture with the egg whites, and I'm going to create a lovely floury flavoured batter mixture with my yolks.
I know my recipe sounds quite simple, and it's, well, because it probably is a little bit.
That's a relief.
But I've gone for the best quality ingredients I can get my hands on. So we've got organic milk, free-range eggs, premium flour, and butcher sauce pancetta. To make my batter, I'm going to pour flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt into my mixing bowl, along with my eggs, and whisking my milk and butter very slowly. Finally, I need to add in half of my pancetta, stir it up, and leave it to rest. I'll add in the other half of my pancetta whilst the pancakes are cooking. You'll see why a little bit later.
So, focusing on my yolky batter, 2 egg yolks, buttermilk, vanilla extract, melted butter, whisk together. Whisk, 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 whisk. Once that's combined, in goes flour and baking powder. That gets stirred through to make a lovely smooth batter. Stir, 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 stir. And then I'm going to zest in a lemon. It's imperative that the batter is really smooth and the air is kept in. I'm using pre-sieved flour, which will help with that, and it also helps because I'm really lazy.
Now, as you know, my pancakes are a little bit different, and it's going to get even more different because I'm making it in a saucepan, and that saucepan's going to be full of oil and ghee. And I'm going to be serving my pancakes with a delicious syrup. Sugar, water, saffron. Bubble until it thickens, then add some lemon zest and a bit of lemon juice, and that's ready to pour over my pancakes. You'll come back when I'm putting my pancake batter into oil.
Next up is my cheese sauce, and to get going with that, I need to bring a pan of milk, half an onion and a bay leaf up to a gentle simmer. Thanks, Ben. That one. No, that's my butter pan. You stole my pan.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh God.
It's stuck. There we go, got it. Next up, let's make a roux. Butter, flour. Slowly dribble in my infused milk.
My batter's done, so I've left it where it is at the moment because I'm now going to make a sugar syrup with blueberries and yuzu, which is the greatest lemony flavour in existence. Cast the sugar, cover it with water, in with the yuzu. Then I'm going to wait for that to thicken and add some bloobs, take it off the heat so that the bloobs don't completely fall apart. And that is my sauce, and that's going to go on top of my delightfully fluffy pancakes.
I'm terrified for this curveball.
Yeah, me too.
Are they standing in unison now, preparing
Oh
for
no, they're
curveball?
standing in the curveball space.
It's curveball time.
Yay.
You have 45 minutes remaining. Today's curveball is a time crunch.
We lulled you into a false sense of security and we are stripping 20 minutes off of your time. You have 25 minutes remaining to serve up your pancake.
This really helps Barry because he's not got anything to do.
My biggest concern was my pancakes might be cold.
I think that's okay. Have you guys already used your flour? Both of you?
Yep.
Oh, so me hiding the scales under the tagine was completely pointless, wasn't it?
Let's make a chili butter. That's going to be butter melted in a pan along with some chili powder, some paprika and a clove of garlic kept whole, which we'll fish out later, just to infuse flavour, and then we won't need it again.
Yeah, how's this happened? I've been chewed out of my syrup making.
I think this curveball might affect only one person. The same guy who's still watching his syrup.
Mike literally watched his syrup up to the point where he had to watch it and then left.
Oh, see, I knew that would friggin' happen. Well, actually, that looks thick enough, so in with bloobs, then off the heat, and they will stew nicely.
I need to make a salsa. Finely diced tomato, the other half of the onion that I didn't use from earlier, pepper, jalapeno, and then a little bit of lime juice.
What is this?
Battle-winning food.
Oh, it smells horrible.
I'm gonna do a test one. And if it works, it's my first one. Pour it into the middle of your oil, then hit the base, turn it into a pancake, and then it'll just lift. It will just lift, just lift off the, rise to the top, rise to the top. Rise. James, it's not rising. Oh, hello, what's that? That's not what I expected.
Baz, you making hedgehog pancakes?
Oh, yeah, onion bargees.
My first one was a tester, didn't work.
This gets folded into the batter in 3 stages so as not to lose all that air. Come on, I've got to do this quickly because it takes 10 minutes a pancake to make and there's no time left.
Just 15 minutes remaining.
Batter into pan. Wait for them to cook on one side. Flip them over. Oh, add in pancetta around the edges just in case it's not there. Ah, yeah, smart. Looks like a pancake.
It rose. They're working. They're actually working. Still don't look anything like pancakes, but they're working.
Where's Mike?
The only way I'm going to make 3 pancakes is to use 3 different pans, so I've come to the development kitchen. I've got 3 on the go at once. I'm using a ring and I've greased it so that they don't stick.
Mike?
Yeah?
How you getting on?
Ha!
Last few minutes.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
60 seconds.
Pancakes into the syrup, 1 dip. Oh yes, that was good.
No! How comes one cooked and the other one hasn't?
5, 4, 3, 2. Step away from your pancakes.
That hurt.
That was stressful.
It was a pancake battle.
It was a panic battle.
How could it be that stressful?
Start savoury.
Lots of your classic flavours, Jay. I wonder if we get them all.
My classic.
Well,
To be
smoked
fair.
paprika, garlic, bacon,
You're
cheese,
really boring.
and chilli. Jamie, go on, in one. You've done well there. So, you know when you have a stack of pancakes with syrup or butter? Cheese is a nice touch, but it's all mushy, it's all one texture. That little sauce on top, nice bite of freshness as well.
I'd have enjoyed more salsa. I'll be
More
honest
salsa.
with you, yeah. A little pile on top.
Strong start. Baz, what have you made?
In front of you now are my malpua, Indian pancakes.
Are we observing a slightly crystallised syrup?
Yeah. And the problem is, we can compare it to Mike's because it's the same recipe.
Ready to cheers? Cheers.
Cheers.
Well done, everyone.
Cheers.
Instant kick of saffron.
Very almondy, but like lovely.
Like that.
Well happy with that.
And I reckon in a donut battle, you probably stand a chance of winning.
I like the fact that it's something we've never tried or tasted before.
that's great.
And that's bold to go and do something that's completely different.
Good work.
Number 3.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm going to go straight to the middle so we can see and everyone can see.
Oh,
Is it cooked?
It's almost, it looks crumpet-like.
Does look crumpet-like.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That hit of ouzo is amazing.
It's cooked through, it's holding its shape, it's got a nice, it's got that pancake crepe-like style on top,
Yeah.
which so have these on their outside.
If you've had an American pancake before, it's like that, but times 10, and really mega fluffy in the middle.
And not far off almost Japanese cheesecake.
Yeah,
And that
yeah,
same
that's
kind
what
of
it is,
thing
yeah.
that we made.
Great work.
This is going to be tough.
This is going to be tough. I think we're going to disagree.
Go on then.
So, eaten anything good recently?
Nothing.
It's another tough one because we didn't entirely agree,
Again.
but we came to one conclusion. And that was what was served up is what we have to judge, even though all 3 recipes are excellent. So in 3rd place, this one. Flavours were great, but quite heavy on saffron and a crystallised syrup. Today, James and I agree that our winner is the super pancake
Oh, God, thank
with yuzu berries.
Thank you.
And that was delicious, Jake, but in this instance, middle of the 3.
Like we keep saying, not winning is better than losing.
100% agree with the judges, absolutely correct. If you agree, just comment below with Mike should have won. Yes, that was correct.
Massive thank you to Home Pride for partnering with us on this video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! We launch videos every Wednesday, every Sunday, and if you click the bell, you'll get a notification every time we do.
Because it's Sunday, yes, there's a dad joke of the week.
Man walks into a bar, says, can I have some helicopter crisps, please? The barman says, sorry, we only serve plain. There's a double meaning there, because plain is like
Grove. It wasn't funny.
aeroplane, but
No.
also
I'm walking
plain
away.
crisps.
I've already walked away.
As we mentioned, Sorted is just run by a group of friends, so if you like what we're doing, then there are loads of ways that you can support us and get more involved. Everything you need to know is linked below. Thanks, and see you in a few days.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh no, Barry's more of a
Dad.
dad. Barry's more of a dad than Jamie.